Dashain is about food.
Actually, it's more than that. It's Nepal's biggest festival. It's coming together of families. Tika is put on the forehead of the youngest by the elders along with blessings. The most famous festival food in Nepal is sel-roti.
These are magic.
Yeah, back to Dashain is about the food. In my auntie's house, we had aloo dum, pork curry, Manchurian balls, and Nepali special fried fish, as well as prawn fritters and peanut sadiko. Photo everyone! The star of the show was a fish head curry based on a sesame sauce similar to chol momo. Tihar, the festival of lights. It's a 5-day festival in Nepal.
I have sel-roti in my hand. This is more like a Nepali donut. We use it for all the special occasions, Dashain, Tihar, you name it. It's very sweet and buttery at the same time. And see.
And yes, again, Tihar is all about the food, and the festival food's centerpiece is sel-roti. It takes a lot of love to make it. It's homemade and it goes with anything. In Bhai Tika, sisters put tika on the forehead of their brothers to ensure their long life. In Tihar, all families do Lakshmi Puja to thank Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. And we also have Kukur Tihar, where we put tika on our dogs. After Bhai Tika, we have a great feast where sel-roti is the central focal point again. We were gonna make how-to video on sel-roti, but decided let's enjoy the moment. Let's enjoy it with our families. Going forward, let us know if you want us to make a sel-roti video by leaving comments down below. Till then, stay tuned to our new videos. Like if you liked us and subscribe, and let us know on comments how we're doing.